Hello, my name is Harsh Kacharia. I work at Codalio in AI for sales and marketing. And today we will go over a detailed overview of how to generate PRD. Over here, I have a simple prompt for an application that I want to build, which is a build me an app that tracks all the subscriptions, Netflix, Spotify, gym, cloud storage, and connect to my email to find them automatically. Show me what I'm paying per month, alert me 3 days before any renewal or price increase, and let me cancel with one tap. Family plan support, so my partner and I are combined total, and tell me how much work this takes to build. Now, this is just a plan. This is just an overview of what I want to do, of what I want to build. And the only thing I had to do in order to get that output is just to tap over here, start building my app. When I click on it, it will generate an output in less than 5 or 7 minutes. And it will basically come down over here where we can see the project requirements. Over here, it says that for individuals and family over market multiple subscription. It will define the problem statement and the solution for it. It will figure out all the target audiences. And over here, it will list down the phases in 3 parts: one-tap cancellation, automatic detection, renewal and price change alerts, family account management, and subscription overview dashboards. Everything, automation. I haven't defined most of those things in my prompt, but it will just auto-figure out those things for me. So now, this is a user flow and success metrics, competitors, vision, everything. Now we'll go over here in the design where we can see the user personas, user journeys, monthly budgeting planning session, and push notifications from subscribed apps. It will basically figure out to get the notification from the application that we have. Taps on the cancel subscription, it will build a UI prototype over here, which we can see over here as well in the later on pages. But this is like a site navigation. It will figure out all the navigation tabs. This is a market sizing. It will list down total addressable market, service available in the market, and have competitive context, key assumptions. Is there anything in this market that does this? It will list down all the key competitors. And from there, let's go to the technical requirements, where it will show the traditional method. It's going to cost us $55,000 if we do the traditional method. Codalio with the Codalio method, it will only cost us about 6,500, which is pretty reasonable. So we are saving about 88%. And if we do the collab solve, it will show us in detail about the design, front end, back end, QA, systems, everything in detail. But whether it's how many developers, what other tasks are there for those developers, how much time it would take for them to develop everything in detail. Not only that, but it will also design an architecture to help us help the system better determine of what is going on internally. Not only that, but it will also give us the schema. And the main and important thing is also the user stories, where it will tell us in phase by phase, code tracking and overview, all the subscriptions and total spend, manage family subscriptions in detail, so we would know like, okay, these are the user requirements, these are the user stories, and this is what we want to do with our app. Now, we can export this in many ways, or the best thing I would say is get to the UI prototype, generate the UI prototype, and we also have a code generation feature. Now, if you're not satisfied with the outcome that you got, or if you want to add few more details, I would highly recommend messaging with the AI. Let's say I want to, it's going to ask you the question over here: how much effort and investment are you willing to put into enabling this user cancel subscription directly through our app with a single tap, considering all this? So it will ask you the questions. If you want to answer it, you could just answer it. If you want to add a few more features, you can add that as well. So these are the things that explains in detail for the users to basically understand what's going on internally